Welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I'm gonna go quickly, as quick as I can, to Winco, one of my favorite stores, with a challenge. I'm gonna give myself $100 and I'm gonna show you how many meals I can make with $100 for our family. How's that sound? With summer being here, I kind of want to make meals as easy and simple as possible. So I've looked in my pantry, I've looked in my freezer, and I have made a list. So I'm ready to go. So let's do it. Okay, so I just read that if you get something longer, it's going to have a more waterier taste. If you get something more circular and more unified, it's going to have a sweeter taste. Just trying to get all the food on the conveyor belt. So I am back. Woo! It is hot here in Vegas. It's like 105. Ugh. Okay, so what I'm going to do is hurry up and get these unloaded, but I'm going to show you by meal. How's that? And then I'll tell you at the end what my total was. So remember, I looked in my pantry and I looked in the freezer and I hear things moving back there. And I noticed we had some tater tots. So I just got some ground beef and some cream of chicken to make a tater tot casserole. Plus I have some cheese. So also I got another ground beef and I got some corn, some celery, and some carrots, and a little bit of potatoes to make taco soup. So I also know that it is 105 degrees, but taco soup is super easy and we all like it. Plus I know I have some tortilla chips over there. Okay, I found the tortilla chips, so that will go with the taco soup. So I may make the taco soup with some chicken breast. That sounds really good. And then I can use the other ground beef for shepherd's pie. So I can use some of the baked potatoes and some of the cheese and make like the toppings and then the veggies. I also got some of these teriyakis. Now this is so good. If you've had them from Trader Joe's, you're gonna love the Winco version for sure. It's about the same price. It's like $5.50. And then their orange chicken is the same. So it's the orange, it's the yang. So if you have a Yang's at your grocery store, I mean, this is delicious. I'm not a fan of the one at Costco. I like these ones, and these ones are only $5. So that will take care of our family for a couple of meals. And then we'll have some steamed veggies with that and some rice. Totally easy. So that's a couple meals there. Plus I can bake some more potatoes, use some cream of chicken, and some broccoli and make broccoli cheese potatoes. Now, if I have any leftover chickens, I can just kind of, put some in, some chopped chicken, cooked chicken into that, and it will be a delicious meal. I also have in the freezer some hamburger patties that I still haven't made, and I just got some Grandma's Sycamore buns. This is my first time getting these, so I'm sure they're gonna be delicious. And so we only need like 4, so the other 4, the boys can use them for sandwiches, or they can make like some more turkey or chicken, shredded chicken sandwiches, maybe put some barbecue sauce on it. It's gonna be good. Let's keep going. I got some emergency pizza, which is good for the week when my boys are hungry, and I'm like, quick, let's eat. They like the Red Baron one, so that's okay. Also, I saw somebody did this and made a charcuterie board with these ingredients, and I thought, lovely, I'm so gonna do that because it's just the time of year to just kind of pick at food and stuff. Delicious. So I got a watermelon, and I got cantaloupe. I got some sliced cheese, some medium cheddar, which is my favorite, and then I bought a rotisserie chicken. So I just will cut it up, put it out on a board with cheese, so meat cheese platter with all the fruits around it. Sounds divine, easy peasy, done. Kids can eat it, and I might even do it tomorrow. So that way this will get used up. And then if there's any left over, I can put it in the next day, like in super or in another recipe. The meals that I'm telling you about, I will try to link some of those videos below if I've made some videos with it. But if I haven't, let me know if you would like to see a video on it. Let's see, let's keep going. So I'm getting near the end. So far, I feel really good about what I've gotten. As to how many meals it'll make, that will be the test. I did buy some more milk because we do have some cereal in the pantry. So if it comes to they need a snack, go have a bowl of cereal. I also got some corn. Now I bought 4 of these, and if you, let me know in the comments if you're one who waits for a case lot sale. I've noticed that if I go to Walmart or even Winco, their prices are at case lot sale prices. So this was under 50 cents. And also these, I got 6 of these different yogurts for Paul, different flavored. They were like 33 cents each at Winco. So I think that's a good price. So you don't have to wait for the case lot sales. I also bought these little hash brown patties. Isaiah, the one who's on his mission, he actually loved eating these in the morning. So this will actually be our first time frying these up, or I guess you could fry them. Maybe I'll put them in the air fryer. We'll see how that works. I got Ezra's favorite Eggo waffle, so I got a couple of those. He really does like strawberry. And then I got 18 eggs because I do have some recipes in mind that I want to try, and it's gonna need some eggs. And then I found it, the yellow rice. The kids really do like the cheesy chicken and corn meal that I make. So this is the Zatarans that I was telling you that I prefer to put in. It's so easy to do. I've made a video recently about it, and so this will be on our rotation this week. I also bought some of our favorite sauce. I don't actually have a meal in mind, but if I do have some chicken left over at the end of the week, I thought I could make some chicken parmesan. Doesn't that sound good? So we're near the end, and then I'll tell you how much I spent. So the very last things that I got was some more butter that can go in the fridge. I'm just gonna grate all of this cheese, and look, it's a pretty good price, $4 for over a pound. It's only $3 a pound. I don't know. Is that even a good price? I have no idea. But it just seems like nice and bulky. Got some chopped onion. We're running a little bit low. And you know us. We don't like onions. We like dehydrated ones. I got some lettuce and tomatoes for any if I'm going to make some taco baked potatoes, I can sprinkle some of this on top. Or if we're gonna have a side salad, I think that can be the good basis, and I can grow from that, right? I mean, we can make it bigger. I got some bananas, good for breakfast. I got a loaf of Grandma Sycamore, and it was on sale. You know, I don't even know if I gave the lady the coupon. Now that I think about it, I don't even think I did. Not quite the sale then. And then I got some corn tortillas for Paul and for any Mexican meals that we're doing, because he can do these. They're gluten-free. So all in all, I spent $110, almost on the dot. But you see those 2 things back here? That's $11 right there. It's a gluten-free treat for Paul for tomorrow. And some detergent. I had to have it. So basically, I did do it. I got under $100. It was $99 for all of this food. So let me know in the comments if you think that I did pretty good. I know some of it might be a little bit on the junk side or the non-nutritious side, but it is summer and it is go-to meals. And I just try to do my best to stretch our dollars now that the kids are home, right? So let me know in the comments what are some of your go-to meals, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.